How to connect Lovable to GitHub. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect Lovable with GitHub. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I already have an account, but I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you how you can do this. It basically, tells you to go ahead and connect it with GitHub right here in the sign up page. So you won't have to worry about it. If you click on this button, all right, continue with GitHub, it'll open up the authentication section right here for GitHub. And, you can go ahead and log in into your GitHub, click on sign in, and it'll then just simply go ahead and ask you to authorize it. You can see right here, authorize the GPT engineer app. So you just simply go ahead and click on authorize. It'll redirect you, click on an account, and boom, you're connected. So you can see right here, an account with this email already exists using a different sign-in method. So what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and log in with Google since I already have an account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you how you can do that as well. So the other method. So this was method number one. When signing up, you can just simply go ahead and do this. So next up, here we go. So I'm already logged in. It's loading up. The website is still loading up a little bit. So let's wait for it to load up. Now here you can see this is the workspace right here. And if we scroll down below, this is like all of the apps that I have. And here, if you click over here, this is the app that I have made. If you open it up here, you can see it has the option sync your app with GitHub. If you click on this button and click on then connect to GitHub, once you've opened it up, it'll open up right here on the GitHub, and here you can connect your account. So click on connect GitHub, and then you can authorize Lovable, and then you are good to go. Your account will then be connected. Then you can add an organization if you have one, but if we don't, you can just simply click on add organization over here. I think we already have one, but we can even click over here, either all repositories or select the repository that you want. These are the ones in GitHub, so you can select that, but we're going to select all of them. So in the future, if we create a new repository for this one, I would recommend first creating it, but if you want to create it later on, then you can go ahead and connect it with that one. There you go. Then we click on continue and then click on connect, and then it'll confirm the GitHub transfer. So move only the instances of the repository, and boom, your GitHub repository is now under your account and you're good to go. So you can see right here, it's now connected. So you can go ahead and view on GitHub. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you connect Lovable to GitHub. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.